Hi, my name's Steve. I'm an electrical lecturer at Newbury College and I currently deliver to 2 apprentice groups of electrical installations. The thing that I enjoy most working with apprentices is the fact that they want to be there. They've made their decision, they've chosen their career, and they're genuinely really invested in that career. So you see that moments of wow factors when they've really done something great at work, they come in, they show me, or the moment when things start to click and they've taken what they've learned at college and they've taken that into the working environment, and it's all started to link together, and that sudden clicking or that eureka moment really makes it worthwhile. I think apprenticeships are so important, not only to fill the skills agenda and to fill the skills shortage, but also to give them the right foundations and build them correctly into the industry the way that you see fit. The hands-on skills that the apprentices learn on site are so vital because it really complements what they learn in the classroom. You can't teach everything through a book, you can't teach everything over Teams. They need to be out there doing it, getting their hands on the tools, getting stuck in, and it's really important. What we tend to find is the learners that have the most hands-on experience are generally the ones that excel the most because they're seeing it firsthand, they're learning about it in college, perfecting it, and then they're going back out practicing, and that is massively important for these learners. To ensure that the apprentices are industry ready, the tutors, such as myself, the development coaches, we are regularly in contact with their employer to give them praise, to give them areas of improvement, to make sure they're on target, to make sure that their welfare is being looked after. And ultimately, the goal is that we're going to potentially take them as early as 16. And we're going to, by the time they finish their apprenticeship, we're going to make sure that they are what the employer is paying for, what the employer is going to get a value from that apprentice, and that the apprentice is going to get the value from the employer. So regular communication, regular target setting is how we monitor to ensure that by the time that they come to their endpoint assessment, these guys and girls are going to be industry ready and they're going to add value to not only that company, but the wider community.